What's up, guys? Welcome back to the home gardening channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest trellis you could ever make. I have one right here that I made for my passion fruit tree because there's a wheel. Basically this passion fruit tree, I just kind of staked it with one single stake, and it has grown huge and taken over. I wasn't really planning on it getting it this crazy, but now it has gotten really big, so I'm supporting it, with a trellis here. And I just put some of the vines, I trained them up on this trellis. Now I'm going to show you guys how I make these trellises that are super easy, just with bamboo sticks or leftover branches. So it's just 3 pieces of wood, like a tripod. And basically what I do is I just put 2 of them like this in a V, and then I put a 3rd leg down, just like that. And now I use pieces of a cotton shirt, and I just tie it around, just like this. Usually use a few of them, and it's a perfect support. There's one tie already. See, now this is not really going to go anywhere, but I'll put a bunch more just to make sure it's extra sturdy. And it's got support and 3 points on the bottom. And trellises is one of the things that are really a pain to do when it comes to gardening, especially if you're trying to do permaculture. You're not really trying to add too many artificial things to it, and this is a really great way to do it without spending much money or having to build crazy structures. And now you move it wherever you want. To lift it up, you can just go like this, put it here, just like the tripod on a camera, really. Put it right here, you see? And this vine will have another place to go. I take some of these from the bottom, and it's got these tendrils that will actually tie, hold itself onto the trellis, and this will be covered. And when passion fruit season comes in, we'll have passion fruits all over here. And I can make more. I can make more of these trellises all around this plant, and it doesn't go anywhere by here. I can keep it concentrated. I can make a bunch of different a circle of trellises around it, and it can be really nice, and I can make them even taller if I want to. So this is a great way to cheaply do. You saw that it was like 5 minutes to make it. Super easy. And now I got more support for my plant. This also works great for tomato plants. And you can put a horizontal bar here on the top, and then put another one of these teepees on the other end, and you can make a horizontal line of support, and then you can tie up your tomatoes or your cucumbers on it like this. So right here, I can put this here, and then I can continue and then put another one there, and you can make a really nice structure, super sturdy. And that really helps with keeping the cost down on your garden. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if it helped you in any way. And I'll see you really soon on the next one.